Oh, that's mine for custom cruising. You can see here, this is a bit of kit we've just used with a bit of heat from my exhaust off my room heater. Okay, to pull this bearing off. Okay, so basically this thing has a sleeve, the inner sleeve bearing. You can see it's pretty rough as well. But we're going to put a proper heavy-duty twin roller bearing on here, or in the primary that is. Okay, which has got 2 seals in, and it's also a double row rather than this stupid system here where you've got a sleeve and then the rollers actually run on this sleeve. Fantastic bit of kit, this tool. This will basically pull it off. This goes behind it. If you need a bit more room, you can actually slacken off the 2 nuts on the back here, which you can't see, but they're under there anyway, and that will allow you a bit more room to be able to pull this thing off. And then basically just use an impact gun on here like this to get the sleeve off. Without this tool, it is impossible. You can try grinding it and knacker up this, you know, cutting it with a chisel. I've seen all sorts, but for what these things cost, you really are balmy if you don't use one. Okay, if you're interested in any tranny rebuild kits, you know, with this I'll just put new bearings in it, check all the gears are okay. This is FXR tranny. Got another one to do here. This one here's got the clutch. Not sure if that's a stock clutch. Looks a pretty serious bit of kit, this. Looks a lot better quality than I imagine the Harleys would normally have in 89, but I could be wrong. Not too clued up on the pre-91s. But basically the new bearing will go behind the clutch, okay, in this back case in the rear of the primary. Okay, if you're interested in any great stuff, give us a call, 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu. Thank you.